Your phone is charging, but suddenly, it gets hot. Not warm, hot. What if I told you this heat is silently damaging your battery right now? You plug in your phone, and within minutes, it starts heating up. Maybe you ignore it. Maybe you think it's normal. But here's the truth. Overheating during charging is not normal. And if you keep ignoring it, your battery life will slowly die, faster than you think. Let's break it down. When your phone charges, energy flows into the battery. But if something goes wrong, that extra energy turns into heat. Here are the biggest reasons: using a low-quality or fake charger, charging while using heavy apps like gaming or video, poor ventilation, like charging on a bed or pillow, dust or dirt inside the charging port, or even software bugs running in the background. And yes, even your fast charger can cause heat, if not used properly. And mistake number 3? Almost everyone is doing it right now. Here's what you should never do: using your phone while charging, charging under pillows or blankets, using cheap or duplicate chargers, charging in hot environments. These habits trap heat, and heat is your battery's worst enemy. Now let's fix this, fast. Always use the original charger or certified ones. Stop using your phone while charging, especially gaming. Charge your phone on a hard, flat surface. Keep your charging port clean. Remove your phone case if it traps heat. Turn on airplane mode for faster, cooler charging. Bonus tip: if your phone gets too hot, unplug it immediately and let it cool down. Here's something most people don't know. Every time your phone overheats, it permanently reduces your battery health. That means less backup, slower charging, shorter lifespan. So this isn't just about heat, it's about protecting your phone long-term. Quick recap: use original charger. Avoid using phone while charging. Keep it cool and ventilated. Clean your charging port. Follow these, and your phone will stay cool and last much longer. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for smarter tech tips. Because your phone is smart, but you should be smarter.